Hey YouTube, so here's my Craftsman garage door opener again. It's doing good. We've had this thing a couple months. Craftsman, this is made by Chamberlain. It's a chain drive opener. Yeah, so there's the opener. So here's the controls to it. Open this up. You got the learn and the lock button and this light button, which we'll run her up. It's quieter than that garage door opener. That thing's loud. I don't like that one. I like this one a lot better than that other door opener. There's that side. I pressure washed the driveway over the summer. That took a while. I just used the turbo nozzle on it. I didn't have a surface cleaner, so. So yeah, there's my Craftsman garage door opener. Bye.